My name is Zoe Jones. I'm partner and personal injury attorney with Gonzalez Jones here in Hollister, California. I'm here with Dr. Masula today from Masula Family Chiropractic, also here from Hollister. Dr. Masula, thank you so much for being here with us today.
Thanks for having me.
A lot of people get into car accidents and don't know whether or not it's big enough to seek treatment. So at what speed of impact do you feel they should go to the doctor and seek treatment?
Most people believe that even at mild fender benders, at low speeds, that there's no injury, when it's almost the exact opposite. A whiplash injury occurs at a 5 to 10 mile an hour accident. So a 5 to 10 mile an hour accident, so roughly 8 miles an hour, is the equivalent of 5 G's of force on your neck, which 5 times of gravity. Another way to look at that would be, they're saying that 5 to 10 mile an hour accident would be the equivalent of a 50-pound bag of sand being dropped on your head from a 2-story building. So it is a lot of force, even at 5 to 10 miles an hour, which is a very low speed, which most patients brush off after that mild soreness goes away. Now, not every patient may get injured, but it's always good to get checked out so that, again, you're not dealing with long-term injuries on something that could have been easily preventable.
At what point do you feel that those symptoms are onset with that type of accident?
A lot of times you can associate it with like going to the gym. It's the day after, a couple days after, you might be a little sore. And a lot of patients think that, oh, it's just a mild soreness that's gonna go away. When again, the overwhelming majority, and some studies showing in the 90 percentile, ends up losing the actual curvature in your neck, and it straightens it out, and now you've completely changed the biomechanics in your neck. And again, if that soreness goes away after a few days, you don't think about it, but then years down the road, now you're ending up with these chronic conditions that could have been prevented with getting some early treatment.
And can you explain for us the term soft tissue?
Soft tissue is just referring to any of the muscles, tendons, ligaments, nerves. So all the connective tissue and the muscles, things of that nature. There's the sprains and strains, but again, that could be also a pinched nerve. A lot of patients know about things like sciatica, which is pain shooting down a leg. Most don't associate that though with internal organs that can actually start malfunctioning because you're actually losing the communication from your brain to those organs because that nerve flow is being shut off by a vertebra out of place pinching on that nerve.
Thank you so much for this information. It was very helpful to our community and is so important for our law firm to help educate the community about issues such as this. So thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me.